Today we are hosting the inaugural UMazing Tech Race, and it is an event that is patterned after the famous TV show, The Amazing Race, but with a tech twist.
Keep going.
Teams of 2 have taken on challenges in Lightbot, drones, VR, Spheros, and a TikTok challenge sponsored by the CodeCrew Center for Entrepreneurship. The team with the best times, once we've tabulated all of their times for each circuit, wins the grand prize. There'll be a first, second, and third place prize winners.
We're really excited to be here with CodeCrew. Working in the tech field for the last 10 years, it touches so many aspects of what we do. I just feel like as a field for kids to understand, the sky's the limit.
The biggest excitement for us is we see some of these kids that are more shy. They're sitting off the side of the bleachers, they're not quite ready to get involved. But once they hear that drone and see it flying around, they start scooting down the bleachers. And within 5 or 6 minutes, they're sitting next to you laughing, racing. For us, it's the inclusion. Let's bring in everybody, because anybody can drone race.
I think we all know that a lot of the traditional non-academic based jobs are going to go away, and that we're going to need our youth in the future to have an understanding and ability to use technology, and this is on the ground floor where we're actually giving them that ability.
Our favorite event would be the drone racing. That was a lot of fun. Accidentally put it into race mode, and I think that helped contribute to our time. It's a really welcoming community. At the end of the day, everybody's here to have fun, and the prizes are just a part of that fun.
It doesn't matter your skill level, you can do computer science. Today proves that anybody can do it and anybody can participate in events like this, and we look forward to everybody coming out next year.